Now the next question arises before us, which is what can be patented. Sections 3 and 4 of the Indian Patents Act 1970 clearly mentions the exclusions, what can be patented in India. There are certain criteria which have to be fulfilled to obtain a patent in India. They are patent subject. The most important consideration is to determine whether the invention relates to a patent subject matter. Sections 3 and 4 of the Patents Act lists non-patentable subject matter unless the invention comes under any provision of section 3 or 4. It means that it consists of a subject for a patent. Novelty. Innovation is an important criteria in determining the patent of an invention. Under section 2 of the Patent Act, a novelty or new invention is defined as no invention or technology published in any document before the date of filing of a patent application anywhere in the country or the world. The complete specification, that is, the subject matter, has not fallen into the public domain or is not part of the state of the art. Simply, the novelty requirement basically states that an invention should never have been published in any portal or public domain. Inventive steps or non clarity. An inventive step is defined as the characteristic of an invention that involves technological advancement or is of economic importance or both, as compared to existing knowledge and invention not obvious to a person skilled in the art. This means that the invention should not be obvious to a person skilled in the same field where the invention is concerned. The next requirement is capable of industrial application. The invention is capable of being made or used in an industry. This basically means that the invention cannot exist in the abstract. It must be capable of being applied in any industry, which means that it must have practical utility in respect of patent. These are statutory criteria for the patent of an invention. In addition, other important criteria for obtaining a patent is the disclosure of a competent patent.